so if you follow me on YouTube, then you know that I bought some candies, but they're coated with like chumoy and stuff, or whatever the case may be. And I told you I wanted to try them, so that's what we're gonna go do. Okay, so the first one comes like this, and it's called Rainbow Chews, which I'm pretty sure is just like Skittles with like some tajin on top. Hold on. They smell like tajin and fruit. That's what they smell like. So let's get the chamoy down from bottom at the bottom, and we're gonna pour it on top, and we're gonna see how it tastes. Okay, yeah. So it just comes with 2 packs of chamoy, and we're gonna try it just like this, and then we're gonna try it without it. Not bad. Let's pour the chamoy. Without the chamoy, it just tastes like Skittles with like a, I don't know, tastes like a little salt on top of it, like a sweet and salty flavor. I like it better without the chamoy, just the tahini. I like this one, and I'm gonna give this one like a 7 out of 10. Let's open the other one. So next we have peach rings, and we're not gonna have to worry about taking those at the bottom because we already got some. These smell strong, y'all. Real strong. I like these a little bit better. Probably because they're a little bit more sweeter. And the tahini doesn't kind of like take over. Versus the rainbow chews, they kind of like, the tahini kind of takes over. But this is definitely more sweeter, so it's more savory.